I'm Ray Sandy with Service Restoration, based in Bloomington, Minnesota. I've followed Kevin and Anissa on some of the Ask Anissa things and some of the stuff they'd put out. We looked around and we did buy their online course, had the opportunity to go through that. I had been, certified fire restoration for a couple of years and not done a lot with it. Going through this course is just a lot more well-rounded, and we got to learn it. And then we had this opportunity to get a pretty sizable fire job, and we made a phone call to Kevin and Anissa and said, any chance you could help us and come out here? And I think this was on a Thursday, and Sunday night they flew into Minneapolis, and Monday morning met us at the site and spent a week with her. It was an incredible experience. Number one, they are who they come across as in the videos. They're wonderful, kind people. We ended up having many of our employees there because we wanted them to experience this. So we brought them in from a couple different branches to help out when they could get away from their jobs. And it probably wasn't the ideal classroom situation for Kevin and Anissa, but they did a great job. Everybody learned so much, and it was great to be able to go through and we did a whole contents pack out. I mean, a live, you can't make this stuff up. I mean, this was a real great thing. I mean, the property owners were there on site all the time. I mean, it just, everything that we kind of let Anissa lead the way and got to watch her in action, and side by side with us, we were all able to work with the owners and talk to them, but it was all very much nicely guided by Anissa on how to do things. And it's been a great experience. Since I just had another fire that I was going to take on the contents, and first person I called was Anissa and said, am I going to do this right? She was very reassuring on the phone and helped me walk through it. And so this week been working on that. And I just want to say, if it were to do it all over again, would we do it? Absolutely. The other managers that we had from our other territory, our company owner, everybody was just so satisfied, so happy with what had worked out. I know our company owner's been talking to Kevin, working on some things, and to probably do some ongoing consulting. And so, yes, would we do it again? We would. If you're planning on, want some serious, and I mean, these people take this stuff serious. They're fun-loving, a joy to be around, but there's such a passion here that just oozes out of them, and it was just an all-around great experience. And so I hope that everybody, that's looking forward to this kind of training takes them up on it. It's well worth it.
Hello, I'm Leah Mira of Synergy Response in upstate New York, and just wanted to say how awesome Anissa and Kevin Boy are with Firehouse training. I came into this industry not knowing very much about restoration and contents restoration. So happened to stumble upon her and her ad in R&R, and followed up and was able to get the training, the online contents training with Firehouse, as well as the marketing maximizer. And she's been absolutely amazing, very giving of her time, goes above and beyond. Anissa has gone above and beyond for us, and I have a million questions. She always is able to answer and gets back to me quickly. So I couldn't say how, I couldn't even express how grateful I am for her support and all of her advice.